Hey guys, how's it going? So today it's December 20th and we're doing baler stuff. I know I'm a little behind, but we're getting it done. I have my lovely assistant over here. And so yeah, there was a bunch of hay in the baler from the golf course. So we actually cut and bale the rough at the local golf course here, and sirens everywhere. So yeah, we cut the rough and we baled up. They like it. We do that kind of in exchange of burning it off. I may have talked about it before, but I don't remember. But anyways, we had that in there, and that really kind of set in there tight. It got a little moldy. The baler doesn't let it breathe very well. Should have dug it out after the day after, but I'm too busy, so that's just how it goes. But anyways, today I had a bale of oat straw and pitched it through the baler without the pressure on. So it kind of was just in there loose, pushed the hay out, and now we're going in and we're digging the straw out, and it's coming out a heck of a lot easier than anything else would. It's it's pretty processed. So we're gonna dig it out, and the other one's dug out. So this is the last one I got to do for the year. But yeah, we'll just keep moving forward. All right, got that emptied out. If anybody wants to know what a big bale or what's in a big bale of straw, it's a pretty good pile. Good job. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm standing in the shop and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of an update on the shop. And let me tell you, the last time you guys have seen this, it's a lot different. So, alright, I'll flip you around. So, yeah. It's kind of a mess in a way, I guess. But anyways, there was a wall here, and I've talked about it. We were going to take it down. Well, we took it down. Took that whole room apart. And boy, does this building get, it really opened up. So the wall here, there was a wall right here. And it kind of enclosed this corner here. And then there was a wall there and there was a door there, if you're unfamiliar. It was insulated. It was insulated for a loader tractor. They used to have a little kerosene heater, heat the room up, heat the loader tractor up, and get it started in the winter for a couple years, not too long. Last year I dragged the stock chopper in there and we changed all the knives out, and I really kind of liked how it was. I just had a heater here, propane heater. Not the safest thing for a closed room, but we had plenty of air in the room. But yeah, I don't know if I've showed, I got my office there in the back corner. That still isn't done. Kind of got postponed. But we took the walls down. We moved some stuff around. Those shelves used to be on that wall. And the stairs used to come out there along the wall that was there. We turned it there. I don't know if it's the best place for it, but I guess it's really the only place for it, unless I go that way with it or whatever. All the oils and DEF and stuff like that we packed in that corner. This is kind of the fencing section. Got stuff up there that should go through again. We started kind of filling these shelves. Yeah, we got stuff around. We got plywood laying from the walls. This is still a mess here. We gotta haul some more scrap metal out. Then we got this thing. We got a wood burner here. I picked this up for $200. And it works. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of disappointed with it. I wish it would heat or blow a little bit more heat. It is what it is. My brother actually got his hands on a bigger blower. I don't know if we're gonna put it on there or not. I don't know if we really should or anything. But yeah, so this is the shop, the current update. Hopefully by the end of the year, we got a couple weeks yet. So here's the next steps. We're putting a big sliding door. I wanted to put a big garage door in, but I guess I'm too tight with my money right now. So we're gonna put a big sliding door in, and we're gonna try and I might try and insulate the door itself, but kind of frame it up and try and get it real tight. Hopefully we can make that happen. We're gonna run just like here. I think the entire length of the room here is going to be like that eventually. Um, we're going to try and finish this half up to there and maybe go a little farther. I may end up maybe going to that truss there and then getting a curtain or a tarp or something. Try and maybe not heat the entire building or the entire part. Um, that wall should be it is, as far as I know, it's insulated. I don't know about that wall, but it'll help. Um, so the plan is to just throw that plywood up. I probably at this time I'm not going to insulate it. See how it works. It's definitely going to save. Uh, I'm not heating that top third of the building. That you lose a lot of heat while heat rises, so um, definitely do that. Patch up. We got a couple doors to fix. That door over there is one of the cables is off, so it's kind of a mess. This one, it works. I kind of hit it with the loader. Actually, all these doors have gotten hit at one point or another, just because that's just how it is. Um, but this door and that door are the same, so I may end up stealing some parts or some panels or whatever, and making it happen. Um, so yeah, that is the current update, and yeah, so hopefully we're kind of tying up some loose ends right now, but hopefully maybe this weekend we'll get some work done on this. Both of my brothers have been a big help. Actually, if it wasn't for them, I don't know if I definitely wouldn't be as far as I am right now. Um, they were just kind of hanging out in here one night and all of a sudden started ripping the walls down. So uh, that definitely helped. Um, my girlfriend has been here a couple days, just kind of working with me, helping me get everything kind of organized. We're trying to organize. Problem with doing something like this is you got a big mess. You got to organize the mess, and then you make a bigger mess when you start moving stuff around. Uh, just you kind of you make a you want to move a shelf, so you have to take everything off the shelf, put it somewhere else, move everything out of the way to move the shelf, and then you move the shelf, and then you got to organize everything back onto the shelf, and then you got to move something else, so you organize everything around it, move everything. You just keep going, and we're getting there. I think we're getting closer to where that won't happen as much. Um, had a burn day. We hauled out hauled out one load of scrap already, and so we're getting there. And yeah, so